Hey, fellow space enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the cluttered cosmos, specifically the problem of space debris. Buckle up, because this is where science meets orbital tidying. Did you know that our Earth is surrounded by a growing cloud of space debris? These aren't just leftover rocket parts. We're talking about defunct satellites, spent boosters, and even tiny fragments. Imagine a cosmic junkyard up there, pieces whizzing around at high speeds. Why should we care? Well, space debris poses real risks. Imagine a collision between a working satellite and a chunk of junk. It's like cosmic billiards, but with serious consequences. The International Space Station, ISS, also dances with danger. Even a small impact could puncture its delicate skin. Scientists and engineers are on the case. They've proposed various ways to tackle space debris. Picture this. Nets. Imagine capturing debris like a celestial fisherman. Harpoons, yes, space harpoons. They'd skewer larger pieces for removal. Robotic arms. Think cosmic cleanup crew grabbing junk and tossing it away. But here's the catch. Dealing with tiny fragments, paint flecks, screws, and shards is tougher. They're like cosmic sand grains, and they're everywhere. Still, progress is being made. Let's keep our eyes on the skies and support efforts to keep space clean. So, next time you gaze up at the stars, remember that our celestial neighborhood isn't just vast, it's also cluttered. Hit that like button if you're fascinated by the Cosmic Cleanup Challenge, and don't forget to subscribe for more science facts.